Hello students, we are doing the parts of the flower. We are on corolla. In this lecture, let us discuss an important concept of the corolla that is called the aestivation. We have learnt about the calyx and the corolla. Calyx are the sepals and the corolla are the petals. The members of each of these whorl, calyx and the corolla, may be arranged in different ways. For example, the petals may be just touching each other side to side, or each petal may be overlapping the next one. Okay, the arrangements may be different. The arrangement of the sepals or the petals in a flower compared to other members of the same whorl, this arrangement is known as aestivation, which we are going to look at in this lecture. Aestivation means arrangement of petals or sepals compared to other members of the same whorl, means arrangement of the sepals with the other sepals of the same whorl. Arrangement of the petals compared to the other petals of the same whorl. This arrangement is known as aestivation. There are 4 different types of aestivation, as you can see. In the first one, the margins of these members are just touching each other, but there is no overlap between the members of this whorl. They are just touching each other, there is no overlap. In this case, you see that the margin of each member is overlapping the next one, but it is itself getting overlapped by the one behind it. It is getting overlapped at one end, it is overlapping the next one. It is getting overlapped on one end, it's overlapping the next one. It goes on. Over here, there is anything. Any member is overlapping anybody else. In this 4th case, this is a special type in which there is a big petal which overlaps 2 smaller petals, and these smaller petals are then overlapping still smaller petals which are fused together. These are 4 different types of aestivations. The first one is called as a valvate aestivation. Margins of sepals or petals just touch each other, no overlap. Example given, calotropis. But you will find so many flowers with valvate aestivation. The second one, in which the margin of one petal or sepal overlaps the next one and so on. This type of aestivation is called twisted aestivation. Margin of petal or sepal overlap the next one and so on. Example, China rose, lady's finger and cotton. These are important examples, you need to remember them. The third type of aestivation, in which the margins of the members overlap one another but not in any particular pattern or direction. This type is known as imbricate aestivation. Imbricate. The margins overlap other members but not in any particular direction. Example, Cassia Gulmohar. This one is a special type of aestivation. This one is known as Vexillary, also called as Papilionaceous. There are total 5 petals in this case. There is one large petal which is called as the standard. This is the largest petal. This largest petal in turn overlap 2 smaller petals which are called as the wings or the laterals. And the laterals then overlap 2 smaller petals which are collectively called as the keel, also called as carina. These are 2 fused petals. So the standard petal overlaps the wings and the wings overlap the keel, and this arrangement you will find in all the flowers belonging to the P family, which is the Papilionaceae family, and that's why the vexillary aestivation is also called as Papilionaceous aestivation. There are 5 petals, standard, overlaps, laterals, laterals overlap, keel. Example, P bean Papilionaceae family, to which P, bean, mung, gram belong to. Papilionaceae family, the Leguminosae family with those root nodules. So these are the 4 different types of aestivations that is seen in flowers. So with that, we have completed the 2 floral appendages, that is the calyx and the corolla. In the next lecture, we will move on to androecium. In the name of Lord Mahadev, please subscribe.